Alright, what's up guys? It's Matt's Boosted, man. It's been a little bit. I've been working, man. I've been out of town, taking a little break, just trying to get my work stuff squared away. But today we got a fun video. We're gonna take a little cruise with Destini. She's trying to learn photography in the car scene, so I'm taking her to her meet today and introducing her. We're just gonna do a quick ride along. Let's get into it. Oh. Start it out. Cutting that part out. I am clipping that part out.
Cut it.
Have a stick. Have you ever driven a stick?
No.
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 Have you ever tried?
No. The club is not even the same thing, but
Check the register. What's that?
Okay.
What were you saying?
I've learned how to drive a dirt bike.
Oh, that's fun.
That's the only
Like
gear shifting
where you got
I
to
know how
shift
to
and
do.
everything? Heck yeah. That counts.
He said rub the engine.
Did he?
Yeah. That's awesome. I thought I was ready, but I was not ready.
And we just,
That is crazy.
that's just a little test.
Wow.
We just have to make sure it's good.
It's good.
It's definitely get a speeding ticket type of car.
Yeah, I bet it is.
I've actually never been pulled over in this car, knock on wood. Like,
I was literally just about to say, I bet the cops hate you.
I cannot
Either hate
believe
you or love you, one or the other.
no, like I don't know what it is. I think they just like Corvettes because they've never pulled me over in this. My M5.
They're just looking there like respect.
Yeah, respect. Gotcha, bro. But they pulled over them 5 a couple times for sure.
Dang.
Yeah, I mean it's a BMW, you know, like there's some wild BMW drivers in Atlanta. So
Yeah.
they don't have the best reputation, you know.
I bet they have an eye for,
BMWs.
yeah, certain types of cars that could be trouble. Which I love the weather here though.
Yeah, same. There's not much room because we got so much dang traffic, you know.
I know.
We'll just do one.
That's crazy.
Like, oh yeah, we can go faster too, just that line. So
That's so exciting.
we can't help it. I was hoping that Porsche we saw earlier would want to race, so I could surprise them a little bit. The Porsches like they like to play.
Oh really?
Yeah. I have stalled the car out more with you than I've ever have. I'm just getting nervous.
Well, at least I have no idea what's going on.
Exactly. No, that was just normal. That happens at stoplights.
As far as I know,
Yeah.
that's part of it.
Completely normal.
It's so crazy how it just goes from 0 to my head's pinned back in a second.